In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero to Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few helpful tips so your export looks the way you expect. First, head to Xero and sign into your account. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you've selected the correct one before proceeding. You'll see the main dashboard with your accounts, bills, and quick links. If you don't see the options described in this walkthrough, you may need the appropriate access to view reports, so check with your account administrator if anything appears restricted. From the main navigation, click Reporting. This is your hub for all the financial and management reports Xero offers. It's the best place to build the view you want before sending anything to Excel. Take a moment to decide which report you need. In this walkthrough, we'll use the balance sheet as an example, but the export process is nearly identical for most standard reports you'll find here. Open the balance sheet. Before exporting, tailor the report so the Excel file matches your needs. Adjust the date or period, choose whether to compare periods, and apply any relevant filters, such as tracking categories. If you prefer different groupings or want to show or hide certain columns, make those changes now. The export pulls exactly what's on screen, so a quick check here can save cleanup time in Excel later. When the report looks right, click the Export option for Excel. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an export button or an icon near the top of the report. Choose Excel and your browser will begin downloading the file, typically as in .xlsx. If you don't see a download start, check your browser's Downloads panel or ensure pop-up and download permissions are allowed for Xero. Once the file has downloaded, you can open it in Excel. You'll find the same headings and figures you saw in Xero ready for further analysis. If you plan to share the file, consider removing any tabs or columns you don't need and double-checking formatting, such as date and number formats. Keep in mind that exported values are usually static, so if you change data in Xero later, you'll need to export again to refresh the spreadsheet. That's it. Go to Xero, open Reporting, select the balance sheet as your example, and export to Excel. With these steps and a little preparation before you click Export, you'll get clean, reliable data every time.